This how to 1 minute will show you how to add Google Analytics 4 to Shopify. First of all, open Google Analytics and log into your account. And now we will create a Google Analytics 4 property. So click on this admin icon and click on create. Select property. Now enter here the property name. Select your time zone. Select your currency from here and click on next. Select your industry category. Select your business size and click on next. And here choose your business objective. Click on create. And now choose your platform. And you have to enter here your Shopify website domain name. Add a stream name here. Now click on create stream. And here select install manually, and you have to copy this code by clicking on this copy icon. Once you copied Google tags, go to your Shopify dashboard and click on online store. And here click on this three dot and click on edit code. And here select theme.liquid file, and after the head tag paste the Google tag code. Then click on save. Now go to your Google Analytics page again and close this panel. Now close this pop-up and click on next. And it may take some time to successfully connect your Google Analytics to your Shopify. So click on continue to home. And that's how we can connect Google Analytics 4 to Shopify. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.